Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my favourites that I'm loving right now. Some clothes, I've got some products, mainly clothes actually. I'm just going to have a catch up, just going to talk and, just have a catch up with you guys. So yeah, I hope everyone's having an amazing day today. I'm just filming some videos. I've got quite a few things to show you guys. So yeah, let's get started with the kind of clothing. So yeah, I've got quite a few things to show you guys. So please oh God, I don't know what to do with my hair. It's really annoying me. Sorry guys, I'm back. I had to reapply my lips because I hated the way it looked. I still don't like the way it looks now, to be honest. I think it's too dark. That's better. I think the lighting is too dark at the minute. So let's get on with this video. So what I've got, the first thing I've got is this Cafe de Bain, and it's a softening shower creme in cherry and almond. Oh my God, can I just say how amazing it tastes? It smells like almond and cherries. Oh, I could eat this. I could actually eat this. My next thing I have is this Zuella Beauty Cream Scrub, and it's a body scrub, and it smells like elderflower and pomegranate. Yeah, it's really nice. I've only used a tiny bit because I actually thought it was a body kind of, what's the thing that you put on after, like a body lotion, I thought it was, but it's not. So that was really disappointing. And that's amazing. So next I have basically clothes. I bought a lot of clothes. The first thing I bought is these Nike leggings. Nike Pro leggings, and they're so amazing, aren't they? They're so cool. I love the top. It kind of it kind of goes like this so you can see a bit of skin through the top. They're so amazing. The material is insane. I just love these. They're so nice, and they're very kind of luxe. Nice breathable material. Sorry, I'm blinking. So next I bought this shirt and trousers from Pretty Little Thing. And I've worn this actually already about a couple of weeks ago. And oh my God, it's amazing. It's like a silk kind of satin sheen. And it comes with some trousers. And oh, it's just the best. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. And it's very, very classy. And I wore it kind of buttoned up with some nice gold jewellery. Or you can wear it on its own. And some nice gold earrings. But I think when you wear something like this, you want to kind of either wear earrings or necklaces, because I think both kind of clashes with, the pattern. And this is just gorgeous. I can't wait to wear that when I go away. Right, I'm going to have to... You're going to have to vote, guys. Do you like my hair out or in? Because I am literally losing the fucking plot with this hair. Okay, so... Next, I have this jacket from Primark, and it's a camo jacket, and I absolutely love it. It's so nice. I got mine in a large. I've still got the tag on it actually, like I have with everything here, because I liked it quite oversized, and it's so nice. This was £14, which is so good, and I've got foundation all over it. Well, that doesn't surprise me. And it's just so nice, so effortless, and nice for when it's kind of, summertime and you just want to wear something kind of, light and airy, not too much kind of material. It's so nice. I love this. I might wear it for the rest of the video, actually. What do we think, guys? Yeah, I like it. I just love it. It's so cool. And camo's really in at the minute. So yeah. Next, I have these amazing pair of pants from Zara. They're so long and flowy. Can you see? I love them. Absolutely love them. Sorry, it just went all weird there, like ghost. And I got mine in a medium, and these were £30, and they're so amazing. I can't wait to wear these. They're so flowy, and I think they'd look cool with my buffalo boots, you know, kind of for some height. They're just amazing. I love them. The next thing I bought was some skinny jeans. Now, I don't have any skinny jeans because I normally wear leggings, and I just thought, you know what, I want to wear something different. I want to wear kind of skinny jeans because it's kind of smart, and I don't want to look like I'm always kind of on the sporty vibe. So I bought these, and these are just so cool. And they're so amazing. And what I love about them is they're kind of cut at the front like this. So when you put your leg in, I just love them. I absolutely love them. And they fit like a glove. And they're very stretchy because my waist is very kind of, it's small. So it's really difficult for me to kind of, because I'm quite straight up and down. It's difficult for me to find, oh God, what is this hair? Bonnie Tyler or what? That's better. Yeah, it's difficult for me to find kind of clothes that, you know, fit my body. Jeans. So that's that. Then I went on a bit of a kind of, I'm nearly done actually, guys. I've been storming through this. Then I went on a bit of a pyjama kind of vibe. Oh God, I need to get my pyjamas. 1 second. I'm back, guys. So then I went on a pyjama kind of kick. I bought these silk blue pyjamas. And these are my favourite. Because I thought, you know what? I spend half my time editing videos on YouTube. And I need something relaxing and, you know, kind of good to wear. And that's comfortable. So I thought these were amazing. So these are the pyjamas and they're gorgeous. These are the bottoms. And they're just so nice to kind of lounge around in. And there we go. These are the bottoms. They're just so amazing. And so can you see, they're like silk. Oh, so gorgeous. So yeah, because I'm in pyjamas literally like half my lifetime, because I don't actually do anything. I thought, you know what? Get some amazing pyjamas. So next I have these silk ones again, like a pinky kind of silk pyjamas. Same kind of style. These are from Boohoo. Love those. And then I have some more pyjamas, which I haven't even opened yet. These are just cotton ones, and I don't even know if I like these. They seem very small. Jesus. What size are these? I'm not a fan of these. I don't know. They look weird. So I've got these as well. So these are kind of cotton pyjamas when it gets a bit more cooler. And then I have 3 tops that I bought, no, is it 4, from Boohoo again. So Boohoo's literally been my best friend this month. I don't know why, but it has. So I'm really into kind of cherubs and that kind of cherub vibe. You know, the kind of, was it the Gucci that were doing it? I can't remember. It was some kind of some brand were doing kind of like, what do you call it? Angels and all that. So I bought these. So this first top, it's got a little cherub on. It's so cute. These are just to lounge around in, kind of cool kind of tops. And then I bought this one that says thank you next. I think it's so, so cool. I love cherubs. And then I got a pink one. So I got 3 actually. And so I got a pink one as well that says thank you next. So these are kind of nice. Just a bit of a break from wearing black. You know, I love my black. And yeah, I just thought, you know what? What else have I got? Yeah, I just thought, you know what? Something different from wearing black all the time. And some colour. And I don't really wear kind of colour that much, as you've probably noticed. And that's it, guys. What else has been my favourite? Yeah, my handbag I've shown you. I've done a review on that. That's my kind of #1 favourite. I love my handbag. My kind of Hermes kind of esque bag. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this kind of quick video. I might flash up some images of me wearing the clothes. Depends if I've got time or not, because I'm on a tight schedule now, because I'm going away soon and I've got so much to do. I haven't even packed. But I wanted to make videos for you because I appreciate you all so much. You're all so amazing to me, and you know, you make me feel so kind of welcomed, and I just love to, you know, provide for you in kind of video form. Provide for you? What the hell am I talking about? You know, I love to kind of create videos. I get excited. And I must stop touching my hair because one day I literally will chop it off. So yeah, guys, I just can't wait for it to grow like past here. Then it'll just be perfect. I just don't like this kind of growing out stage. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. I hope I've not bored you all too much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of the video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.